Hi everyone! So for this video I'm doing a haul. For this time this is a skincare haul. I've been loving skincare instead of makeup. So this is the NEOGEN haul. NEOGEN is Korean brand that's cruelty free, so I can buy it if you know what I mean. So yeah, this is all NEOGEN product. Oh, and I'm not sponsored. They don't know me. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, first thing that I'm gonna talk about is this Biopil green tea. Last night I used this. Oh my god, instantly smooth. Like my face is hella smooth. So it comes with like two sides of pad, the rough one and the soft one. First you use the rough one and then you use the soft one, and you need to wash it off, and I really like this. Okay, the next one is I haven't tried before. This is the Biopil wine. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Everyone say that this is the best Biopil ever. Oh, by the way, it comes with 30 pads. You only need this 2 or 3 times a week, so it will probably last me 3 months, because I only wanna use this for 2 times a week, because sometimes I use the exfoliating toner and sometimes I use the glossy solution. So yeah, the ingredient is so minimal and all of the ingredient is so good. I'm obsessed with Korean skincare. Okay, next is NEOGEN Calendula cleansing water. I'm obsessed with this. Okay, this smells so good. If you don't know what benefit calendula is, you can search it on Google because it is so good. It basically like calm your skin, and yeah, because I use a lot of exfoliating, like chemical exfoliating, I need this, and as soon as I put this, it just makes my skin like so calm, if you know what I mean. I love this so much. It has a lot of good ingredients like allantoin, Centella asiatica extract. Like, oh my god, you can use it as a cleansing water. I haven't tried this to clean my makeup because I don't wanna use such a good ingredient just to clean my makeup, if you know what I mean. I more use this as a toner, so yeah, you can use it both if you want. The other cleansing water that I haven't tried is this NEOGEN Real Flower Cleansing Water Rose. I haven't tried this, but you can see it from the bottom. You can see the rose, like the rose flower. Oh my god, it's so cute. It's like the most beautiful cleansing water I've ever seen. Oh, the funny thing, it doesn't have Centella asiatica. It has aloe vera and hyaluronic acid. Oh, I assume this is for dry skin. Oh, I probably need to try this because I have dry skin, and it has cute packaging. I love Korean skincare. I think it's super cute. Okay, for the facial wash, I bought this NEOGEN Real Fresh Foam Green Tea. I've used this for like 2 times. My skin is so smooth after using this, like, and I love this so much. It's like so soft, doesn't strip your skin out. I thought I will hate it because it's like foam. I'm scared it will dry out my skin, but it is not. Like, this is the most beautiful foaming wash I've ever tried. I've tried some of foaming wash. It's just when you wash it with the water, it like leave on weird like tacky feeling. That's why I stopped using foaming wash. But when I tried it, it changed my mind. I feel like this is the only facial wash that I wanna use for the rest of my life. From the same Real Fresh foam. This is the blueberry one. Oh my god, I'm so excited, but I haven't tried this. I haven't opened this because I don't know. I probably will update it 1 month after this, so I can test this for a month. And yeah, I'm so excited. Don't know what the words is because it has like Korean text. The next from the same Real Fresh foam, this is the cranberry one. Oh my god, this is for revitalizing bio cleanser. The blueberry one is moisturizing. The green tea one is soothing, and this is the revitalizing one. Probably it's for someone with older age. You can use this probably. I don't know what benefit you can have from washing your face with this, but it's said for revitalizing. I'm 23 years old and I think I need this. I always feel old. Okay, so this doesn't have Korean text. Oh, I love this because the first ingredient is like fruit extract. It has a lot of good stuff in here. Holy shit, oh my god. That's why my face is really smooth after using this foaming wash. I'm so excited for this, and you can see the cranberry on the bottom. The last thing that I bought is foaming wash as well. This is Real Fresh from cereal. I'm most excited about this because it's cereal and I wanna smell it, but I haven't opened this. I think I wanna open this tonight. Like, I'm confused which one I wanna try next. Okay, so this is the brightening bio cleanser. The first ingredient is rice seed water and rice. Oh my god, I love Korean skincare because it's so, if it says cereal, you get cereal. It has a lot of like great stuff. Holy crap. It has witch hazel, it has niacinamide in fucking foaming wash. Like, what? It's mind blowing. Oh, my favorite is lactobacillus ferment extract. That's why my skin is loving this. Oh my god, it has a lot of good ingredients. I'm obsessed with this. I think I'm gonna stick with this because yesterday I used the green tea foaming wash and then the BioPure green tea. Oh my god, my skin is so smooth today. Couple minutes ago I do the tutorial, like my skin looks so smooth, like I'm shocked. So yeah, that's it for this haul, and I hope you guys enjoy this. Don't forget, give it a thumbs up if you like this, and don't forget to subscribe me. I make video 1 or 2 times a week. Bye guys, see you next video.